Hi, my name is Apurva and I'm the CEO and founder of Bestever. Today I will show you how to create creatives for your ads in less than 5 minutes using Bestever. Cool, now we're in. It's time to get started. So let's start with a new campaign. You have two options here. You can start with a web link, or you can manually put in the description of what you're trying to do to get creatives out of it. So I just pasted the link for Airbnb and now we can get started. I'm just gonna hit go. Behind the scenes, what's actually happening is that we are sourcing the brand colors, we're getting brand information such as what font, what logos. We're also generating some copy concepts. Cool, we're done. So here we gathered some information from the Airbnb site. Maybe we want to target beach lovers for this campaign, and then we want to focus on driving sales. I'm going to change this to travel enthusiasts, and I'm gonna increase awareness. So there are a bunch of assets, and it says here are 16 waterfront vacation rentals. I think that's a bit too generic. I'm gonna add some details about Airbnb here. Airbnb is a very cool way to discover exotic travel locations, some very cool stays that would not otherwise be accessible to everyone. Okay, now let's look at the campaign assets. These are the assets that will be used for creating the campaign. I'm not a big fan of this, so I'm going to pull this away. I don't think this is very exciting either, so I'm going to take this out, and I'm going to take this one out too. The rest of them look pretty good to me. This dome especially looks so cool. And we also sourced some stock assets just to provide a little bit more lift in case we didn't get all of the images here. We have a bunch of couples traveling, it looks like, which I think is a great angle. And we will remove this one because I don't think it's a logo, but these both are definitely logos, so I'm gonna let them be there. This is cool. You can also see here in brand voice that we have certain fonts and colors to select. For the fonts, I'm gonna pick this font to be the font to use with the creatives that we generate. So cool. Now let's go back to this page, and from here, now we have the chance to select a few concepts. I really like the idea of romantic getaways. I think that's a good angle. Family fun looks interesting too. So I think I'll pick these two concepts, and then let's generate some creatives. What you can see happening here is we are taking all the information that we gathered and we are trying to come up with different permutations and combinations of how to use the different assets to create some cool visuals for Airbnb. Wow, I really like this one. It's kind of minimal, but cool. This one is interesting too, but I don't know if I really like this white band. Memorable family beach vacation, very cool. Discover exotic locations, also very cool. I really like this one the most, so I'm gonna save this one for later. And that goes right above here. Let's say we wanted to turn this into a small video ad. So you can see, you just click on video and you can see what this would look like. You can also see what these other ads would look like if you added a little bit of motion. I, however, want this in square. So how can I get that? So just go into edit and I hit square, boom, that's it. It's that easy. I really like this. I'm just going to add some animation and then download this so I can use this for a campaign. There is one asset here that I think would be cool if I could generate it for a different language. And let's say here, I wanted to change this to be in French. So change the copy to be in French. Amazing. As you can see, the copy was updated to be in French. Super easy. And the great part is not check it in the landscape version is also updated, and so is the portrait version. When you animate it, everything, all your changes stay and gets propagated easy peasy into all different aspect ratios as well. I wanted to show one more thing before I finish this session. Now here we have this, and let's say I wanted to just edit the text. You don't actually have to just use AI to be conversational. You can, in fact, go ahead and then just edit it in the editor. So you can go here and discover exotic locations with Airbnb, and you can just go here and say discover exotic locations with Airbnb Plus or something like that. I don't know what Airbnb Plus is. I just made that up. And then let's say I want to change this to book your stay. There you go. If you wanted to change the weight of this, you can also do that here. Here we go. change it or into this. So I think that looks pretty damn good.